So hello guys, welcome to our channel Review by Karthi. So today we will be talking about Mahindra XUV 300 W8 optional infotainment system. So this is our 7 inches infotainment system. I am starting the car. This is our home page. This is the option for media, USB video. From here you can up and down the songs. So this is our radio from where we can hear the radio. This is our phone connectivity. Like I don't want to connect the phone from here, BT setup. Like this is the phone which I can connect to Mahindra for phone calls. Home page, EcoSense, which will tell our score for speed, gear, acceleration, idling. From here we can know. From this is the navigation system. You can go here. From here we can go to my routes and search go to search and type your address where you want to go. Home page, car info. This will show your car average, fuel info, Titronics for your tires, pressure, reverse cam, alerts, service info if your service is due. Apple Auto CarPlay, so everything is here. Settings for sound, for sound for all speakers where you want more noise of speakers or in all the 4 speakers. Here tone, EQ, you can adjust yourself. Volume for everything, phone volume, touch volume, etc. HDVC medium. So then display, brightness for the display of wallpaper. You can change units for everything. You can add your username. Settings, connectivity, Bluetooth settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. From here you can connect your Android, your Apple. Here system, time, date. This is date, language you want. Program switch, reset, you can reset your infotainment system from here. Then settings, EcoSense I have already told you. Location tracking, if your friend has taken your car anywhere you can track. Sync setting, we have to download the mobile app for this. Then e-manual, if you want to any function for the vehicle like this, I have to here the emergency braking control how to do. From here you can do. So here is our wiper controls. From here the wiper controls automatic. If rain comes and you are driving the car, the wiper will start automatic. If you push this button, if you click, and this will clean your windshield with water 3 times. This is for back wiper, as I will off. This is the steering. From here you can start your cruise control. The minimum speed must be 30. First you have to tap here, then you can set your speed. Here voice command.
Hi, please say a command.
Then volume buttons, plus, minus. From
Command
here
not recognized. Please repeat.
I will switch off the command first. From here you can change your song, you can mute your call, you can cut your call from here. And this is our dashboard, steering, and these are the light controls. This is your fog lamp, and this is your parking light, automatic light off. And this, we have smart micro hybrid technology in this car also. It must be on if your car is stopped at any red light, and you can press your clutch and start your car. ESP control you can on from here. Parking sensors, if you want to off your parking sensors. Dipper from here, how much you want light for the dippers, and you can change the color from here. Trip, then we will go to cluster settings, then we will press set, long press, and you can see the color settings. Then we will tap on trip, no, tap on set, then trip for night, set how much, which color you want for night. As I want sky blue, then I will do sky blue. Back, brightness of this, our speed flash is on. If we will drive over speed, it will flash. Welcome sound on, and you can exit from here. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it thumbs up and comment and subscribe.